So the parts here in Saudi Arabia, this is the part they eat. The bird, you might think it's chicken, but it's bird. So which kind of bird do you eat in your country? You see, this is the bird. Yeah, but they say that it's so expensive. You see how they look? Yeah, this is how it looks like. So which kind of bird do you eat in your country? So I'm going to remove the feathers and the head and cut the legs, so you can see the outcome of this bird, the bird which they eat here in Saudi Arabia. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's in the hot water. We dipped in the hot water so that it can be easier to remove the feathers, so that they can be ready to be cooked. So I cut it remains like this, so this way. What? The result of the bird. Now this is the result of the bird I was making. Now the next process is cooking. I might not be able to take the video of cooking process, but the same process you cook chicken is the way they will cook it. This bird, the same, and the lice. Yeah, this is the result of the bird I was making. Thank you so much for watching.